And it looks like they have small tractors here. Looks like they got a tractor pull going on maybe on the outskirts. Looks like they're giving rides. (1923) Looks like it spent its whole life in New Haven, Indiana, or farm east of New Haven. Something from the farm. It spent working on the Harper farm when John was, well, I can't make out all of it. It was to be scrapped, and then someone else bought it. Oh, okay. It's going to be sent away during World War II to be scrapped. Used it to display for several years. Looks like an old farm tractor, maybe gas or diesel powered, not sure. It should say on the front here. And if I'm going too fast on scanning this document, just pause the video if you want to read it. But this is at the old Casad Depot, as I mentioned, same giant piece of property that the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society has its grounds on. That's where I volunteer, but this is down on the other side, down the way, between Ryan Road and the main road over there. Beyond that, I think 930 or New Haven Avenue turns into 930. Very old primitive tractor. Look at that seat. This one actually has a cab.